Hi everybody, let's check the use of present simple and present continuous. We use the present simple to talk about routines and to talk about things that are always true. For example, he speaks English, I get up at 7 a.m. on weekdays, they don't like fried food, and she doesn't work at the weekend. We change the order of the subject and auxiliary verb in questions. Pay attention to the words in red. Do you prefer coffee or tea? Where do they live? We use the present continuous to talk about things that are happening now or things that are happening around now. Let's see some examples for actions that are happening now. She's speaking on the phone. I'm not doing anything at the moment. And now let's see some examples about actions that are happening around now. They are getting married today, and we are going out today. We change the order of the subject and auxiliary verb in questions. Pay attention to the words in red. Is he staying in a hotel? What are you eating? We don't usually use the present continuous with stative verbs. These stative verbs describe feelings, for example, like, love, hate, feel. Desires, like prefer, want, need. Thoughts, for example, understand, know, believe, remember, forget, agree, realize. And states, like exist, coast, seem, be, mean, belong, and on. Here are some examples of stative verbs in the present simple. He loves this chocolate. Do they cost too much? We don't believe you. Okay guys, that's it. And remember to practice present simple and present continuous.